So these web designs you're seeing on screen, they were all created using Gemini 3.0. It's more creative, better with animation, and way smarter with typography and layout than anything we've had before. And in this video, I'll show you exactly how I built one of these websites using Gemini 3.0. I'm inside Aura Build and I'm going to create a full website using just one reference image that I downloaded from Dribbble. You can manually type a prompt, but Gemini also has a prompts tab. If you click here, you'll see lots of ready-made prompt presets and templates. I'm just choosing the prompt I want, going back, hitting enter and waiting a few seconds. You'll see the code generate on the left, and right away, the website layout appears on the right. Gemini follows the reference image almost perfectly. The structure, the spacing, the hierarchy, it's all there and it already looks clean. But the cool part starts now. At the top, there's a design button. This lets you edit everything visually. Swap images, change padding, fix spacing, adjust fonts, whatever you want. And if you click any element, Aura shows you the exact code for that component, so you can edit each piece individually. Now I'm giving Gemini another prompt. Take inspiration from this pre-built template. Gemini mixes both styles together, the reference image and the template, and the result looks much more polished. It even adds animations automatically. If you want more animation, just open the prompt box, type animate and choose the effect you want. Scroll animations, button pulses, border beams, anything. Once everything is done, your site should look something like this. Smooth scrolling, clean sections, animated buttons, and a layout that feels custom made. And the best part, you can export it instantly to HTML, Figma, or even React, or just publish it straight to your domain from inside Aura and make it live with one click.